If you're seeing the chess.com error RP13, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you what it means and how to troubleshoot it step by step. This error is usually related to an IP address or account being flagged or blocked, often because of suspected fair play issues or a previous account restriction. The good news is, there are a few simple checks you can do to figure out whether the problem is your network, your browser, or your account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes and software guides. Let's get into it. First, we want to identify where the issue is coming from. Start by disconnecting from Wi-Fi on your device. Then turn on mobile data if you're using a phone. After that, open the chess.com app and try logging in again. If the error disappears on mobile data, that tells you the issue may be tied to your Wi-Fi network or home IP address. If it still fails, then the problem is more likely connected to the account itself or something on the device side. Next, let's go through the network fixes. If you use a VPN, turn it off completely and try chess.com again. VPNs can sometimes trigger security flags, especially if the IP address looks unusual or shared by many users. If you're on a home router, unplug it from power for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and let the connection refresh. This can sometimes give you a new IP address and clear a temporary network issue. If you're using chess.com in a browser, also check your extensions. Click the puzzle icon in your browser toolbar, then open Manage Extensions. From there, temporarily toggle off any scripts, chess tools, ad blockers, or browser add-ons that might interfere with chess.com. After disabling them, refresh the page and try again. In some cases, a browser extension can cause login problems or trigger behavior that the site flags as suspicious. Now, if the issue still hasn't been fixed, the next step is to contact chess.com support. Before you do that, open whatismyip.com and copy your IPv4 address. This is the public IP address that support may need to check your connection. Then go to chess.com support and click Contact Us. In the message, include your username, the RP13 error, and your IP address. Keep your message polite and clear, and explain that you've already tried switching networks, disabling VPNs, and turning off extensions if that applies to you. That support step is important because sometimes RP13 cannot be solved locally if the account or IP has been reviewed by chess.com systems. Support can tell you whether the block is temporary, network-related, or tied to account activity. If you've had previous account closures or suspicious login activity, being honest with support usually helps speed up the process. So to recap, start by checking whether the error appears on mobile data, then try turning off VPNs, power cycling your router, and disabling browser extensions. If none of that works, collect your IPv4 address and contact chess.com support with your username and RP13 details. That's the fastest way to narrow down the cause and get closer to a fix. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.